Well, everybody, my Samsung WB-100, the one that I've made probably the last 140 videos with, has finally broken. I was trying to recharge the lithium battery pack I made for it, and this fell off of my workbench and onto the floor. Now it doesn't turn on. Now, of course, I have AA batteries in there because it didn't work with the lithium cells. So I tried it with the AA batteries. Still doesn't work. So let's tear this open and see if we can get it fixed, because it shouldn't have broken from just a fall like that. And we're in. Well, I wasn't expecting to have those two big capacitors in there. That's interesting. I imagine that's for the flash. See this? That's evidently the image stabilizer. It moves the CCD chip around, or the CMOS chip, or whatever it has, to stabilize the image when you're recording. That's pretty interesting. If only it'd work. Well, I think this thing's pretty bad, because the more I'm working on it, the worse it's getting. Now it's pulling like 5 amps from the power supply sometimes. So, I think we'll just turn this into a teardown video. Let's open it up. Hey, look at this. I fixed it. If only it was that easy. Whoa. This is awesome. So now what I can do is this. So basically, one thing that I can do with this, and probably will do with it, I'll take a webcam, I'll rip the lens and plastic and stuff off the webcam, so it's just the image chip with all the circuitry to help the computer view it via the USB cord. Then I'll take the image chip and I'll put it behind here, and I'll have a little thing where I can dial it in so I can put it in and out of focus. And that way I'll have a 26 times zoom lens, and I can use that to look at stars and stuff, and I can integrate that into my future telescope, hopefully. This is going to be pretty awesome. So I tested out the speaker, and it's very quiet. It needs about 3 or 4 volts in order to operate okay. And we're testing out the microphone right now. It's okay. It seems like it was better inside the camera, though. Here's switching over to the audio of that now. It seems like it might be kind of, I don't know. I might be able to use it. Switching back to the other audio now. So I think that's pretty much all of it taken apart. There was a lot of parts. It's a shame that it broke, but I have thrown it through a lot, and I have gotten my $100 worth out of it. I'll probably get a different camera, because my Casio EX-ZR1000 doesn't work right. So I'll only use that, or the one I'm recording right now. It has issues, so I'm going to get another camera, just another cheapy camera, and for the time being I'll record with this camera. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See ya!